Breakfast is the most important meal of the day, which means to break the fast you have been observing since you went to sleep the night before. Oats with milk along with boiled eggs is most common and healthy breakfast. But by adding some chicken and capsicum, we can make it more interesting. So, here's my version of healthy breakfast. You can call it oatslet or oats chilla or pancake with a twist. Please suggest me with an appropriate name. So, let's check the process of preparing this. Here, I have taken oats. I will grind it to a smooth powder. See, I have powdered this oats. I will take 1 cup of shredded boiled chicken, 1 egg and half capsicum diced into small pieces and 1 cup of milk. Salt and black pepper. Now we start with the process by breaking the egg into a bowl. Whisk it nicely. I will add half cup of milk first and again whisk it so that the milk and the egg mixes nicely. I will add oats powder now. I have used 1 cup of oats powder here. Again whisk it nicely. I have to prepare a smooth paste of flowing consistency so that no lumps is there. I will add the rest milk. If required, I may add some more milk. Now the salt as per taste and the black pepper. Next comes the chicken, the shredded chicken. I will mix it nicely with the whole mixture and the capsicum. You may also add onions if you like or any vegetables of your choice. I have added half cup milk more to get the required consistency. Now in a pan I will add a dollop of butter. Let the butter melt and the butter is nice and hot. I will now add 1 spoon of the mixture, the oats mixture. Spread it nicely over the pan. And cover it so that it gets cooked from one side. After 2-3 minutes, I need to flip off the chilla or the pancake, and again I have to cook it from the other side by covering it with the lid. Just need to check whether it has been cooked from the both side or not. Yes, it's done. Let's now take it out, and I will prepare more pancakes with the remaining mixture. Here I have used oats, but normally in pancake we use wheat flour or maida. I have avoided wheat to get a healthier pancake version. So my pancakes are ready. I will cut it into pieces. You can also make small pancakes. The size depends on your choice. And now I will serve it with tomato ketchup. So it's ready. Please do like and share this video, and do comment.